This is Glass by Tony in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Tulsa, Oklahoma is the auto glass leader, and we're going to do a glass weld chip repair on a 2017 Honda Accord. This is a pretty good chip, so this will demonstrate the new glass weld kit, the technology. We've already vacuumed out the air, so we're on the injection process. So you see it filling. This is a really good repair kit. It's nearly disappeared. You will see a couple of lines. That's about it. The purpose of a chip repair is to save a windshield, keep you from having to replace it. So what we do is we guarantee it not to spread for the warranty of the vehicle, or for the lifetime of the vehicle, and that's our warranty. That glass weld's doing a really good job on that, filling that up. Just about disappeared. For more information on windshield repair, just go to glasstulsa.com or call 918-323-2527. Glass by Tony, Tulsa, Oklahoma.